So I'm going to have a bit of a sort out now, and also give this chainsaw time to cool down. Like I said earlier, it's not really built for doing big cutting jobs, so it's nice to give it a rest in between. That's it. Once you cut them in half, just a little jab, good enough really to split up. So I wouldn't want to split all this in one go, so this is why I'm breaking it up into sections, like, you know, cut some, split some, keep doing it like that. Gives the chainsaw a bit of a break, gives my back a bit of a break in between. I won't want to do all the cutting and then suddenly spend an whole day just splitting wood. The impact. Put your feet. Well, ain't that? One of the worst inventions ever, isn't it, really? I knew this weather was coming in. They seem to be really enjoying the bark off this tree. Must be full of nutrients. We'll have to Google it. See why the sheep like bark so much. What are you doing? This bit of wood here. Probably won't burn it until 2024. Should be dry by then. Outside for a year, in the barn for half a year or whatever. It'd be interesting to see how far I can get up this tree using this chainsaw I've got. Good, I'm really enjoying this, aren't I? Snowing. So I hope some of this is helpful to you guys and some of it's entertaining at least. Yeah, I'll make a bit more video when I'm down there again. We'll see how the chainsaw performs. If you're new to the channel and you want to see more videos like this, subscribe if you want to, and please give us a like. Apparently it's good for the algorithm, not just good for my ego. So I'm going to pack up now and go home and do some administration. Got to put some prices up this year. I've got to work out the best way to do it.